I don't think I've met anyone who wants to look older than they are. We all want to look as young as possible. So much that being told you look 16 when you are 25 is literally the best compliment ever. I've realized that a young looking face is a combination of a good skin and your facial shape combined together. The facial shape is being addressed by certain techniques like washari, micro needling, and things like that, while your youthful skin relies on what you do on a daily basis. This is the key to looking ever young, or anti-aging as we may call it. What are the best anti-aging skincare products, you may ask? The first is a sunscreen. This is absolutely the most important product you will need in preventing aging. It prevents diminishing of your skin barrier. It protects your skin from environmental damages. It reduces skin thinning, discoloration, textural changes, and dullness of your skin. And in order to prevent aging, you need to use a broad spectrum sunblock that blocks both UVA and UVB rays, and you need to use it regularly. The second product is retinol. Just a quick disclaimer, if you're not up to the age of 20, do not use retinol on your skin. Now, retinol stimulates collagen production, which gives you a thicker skin for a more youthful and supple look. That means you're going to be free of fine lines, wrinkles, you're going to look hydrated and dewy, and most importantly, it's going to feed every dark spot and acne scars. Because in your teenage years, your skin is young and in turnover is quite fast. But once you enter your 20s, you will need a little more work to keep those fibroblasts healthy to produce collagen over time. At that time, I couldn't wait to turn 20, and the day I did, I was like a kid in a candy store when I applied my retinol in the night. And I woke up with a very tight skin. One thing I would say about retinol creams is that they will tighten your skin and it feels like you just had a Botox done. It's so good. That's why I prefer it to face serums. Now, what is the best way to use retinol? You have to do a patch test to prevent irritation on your skin. Applying a pea size of that retinol to your hand, your neck, or your elbow, because those are the most sensitive areas of your skin. So you apply retinol and watch that spot where you applied it for a minimum of 2 days. If you don't see any irritation, if you are not reacting to it, no bumps, no redness, then you are good to go to use it on your face. What retinol should you start with, you may ask? The lowest. Yes, it does not matter if your skin is in the worst shape or if you barely even have a pimple on. You start with the lowest to be on the safe side. Unless it is dermatologically prescribed, then you can do whatever your doctor said. But if you're just getting retinol, start with the lowest level. Now, what exactly are the levels of retinol? We have the lowest level, which is 0.25%, 0.5%, 0.75%, and 1%, which is the highest level. So you're going to start with level 1, is 0.25%. You should also know that when you start using retinol, you will experience purging. Purging is a process where your skin sheds and you experience like breakouts and kind of a disturbance to your skin. But just know that that's the storm before the calm, because after that process is done, your skin will definitely turn a new leaf. It will literally glow. Be consistent with it for at least 3 times a week and use it only at night, not during the day, because the sun breaks down those active ingredients in retinol, which makes it practically useless, and then it can also cause skin damage. If you are an expecting mother, do not use retinol because it would definitely affect your born baby. When you apply retinol on your skin absorbs it and then it goes through your bloodstream. Now, if you're a pregnant lady, your bloodstream is definitely the same way which nutrients are being transferred to your baby. So when you apply retinol, those ingredients are absorbed into your skin and then transferred down to your baby, which can cause congenital anomalies in the unborn child. The retinol I'm currently using is the Retina A retinol, which contains 0.05%. Right now, I'm currently on level 2 because this isn't the first retinol I'm using. I've used the 0.025, which is level 1. I got this retinol at a hospital pharmacy and I got it for around, it was 3,500 or so. Very affordable and it works very well. Since we're talking affordable products, you can also use the Esteline retinol. It's affordable, it's a face serum, but then it still works. Not as effective though, but it still gets the work done. For a start, you can use that. Or if you want to go the expensive route, you can use the Neutrogena retinol regenerating cream. This cream contains hyaluronic acid, which means it moisturizes your skin while still getting the work done. Another retinol is the CeraVe resurfacing retinol serum. This serum smooths your face texture, reduces acne scars, fades dark spots, and most importantly minimizes your pores. The final retinol is the Olay retinol 24 night moisturizer. Like the name says, it's a moisturizer, so it moisturizes your skin, it suits your skin, and most importantly it has a 4 weeks credibility result. So that's great. You know that in 4 weeks you should be seeing the evidence of what you bought. Be careful where you get your product from, because when you want to spend this amount of money on these retinol creams, make sure you get it from stores with nice credibility, like Tulip and Ebanol, stores that definitely have the original product. So when you see a result, you know you're seeing a result. You're not wondering why the product is saying A and then you're seeing B on your face. So make sure you get your product from credible sources. And that's it, the best skincare product to look ever young. I hope you're able to get as much information that you will need as possible. And if there's anyone under 20 watching this video, then lucky you, because you are definitely getting a head start to looking ageless. Bye, and I'll see you in my next one.